Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2005 ECE paper, and this question is related to electronics. For an N-channel MOSFET and its transfer curve shown in the figure, the threshold voltage is A 1 volt and the device is in active region, minus 1 volt and the device is in saturation region, 1 volt and the device is in saturation region, minus 1 volt and the device is in active region. So what will be the possible answer? So we are going to calculate the region of transistor operation as well as threshold voltage. This is N-channel MOSFET and the symbol says that one it is enhancement mode and the characteristics also. We know that one threshold voltage is defined as threshold voltage definition is this is the minimum amount of voltage required such that a channel is going to be formed between drain and source. If you are applying voltage lesser than that one, at that time there is no channel is formed, by that time current will be 0. So if VGS is going to be less than VT, at that time ID is equal to 0. If VGS is greater than or equal to VT, ID flows. Remember that one. That is the definition of threshold voltage. Minimum amount of input voltage, that is gate to source voltage, at which channel is formed such that drain current flows whenever VDS is applied. So from this equation it is ID with respect to VGS. So this is during this portion ID is equal to 0. ID is equal to 0 up to this point, and after this one current is increasing. So this 1 volt is going to be treated as threshold voltage. So from the diagram we can say that one VT is equal to plus 1 volt, it is positive axis. So out of these two things A or C may be correct. So how do you are going to say whether it is in active region or saturation region? So we know condition for saturation. Condition for saturation region. Condition for saturation is VDS must be greater than or equal to VGS minus VT. VDS drain to source voltage must be greater than or equal to gate to source voltage minus threshold voltage. This VGS minus VT is called as effective gate voltage. If the drain to source voltage is equal to or greater than effective gate voltage, then the transistor will enter into saturation region. So from this one you can write it as VD minus VS should be greater than VG minus VS minus VT. VS get cancels, what you are getting is nothing but VD should be greater than VG minus VT. VD is going to be at 5 volts and VG it is at 3 volts, it is given in the diagram, minus VT is nothing but 1 volt, just now we found it. So 5 is greater than 2. So definitely transistor is in saturation region. So transistor is in saturation region with threshold voltage of 1 volt. So the right option is C. Thank you.